Do you remember this? Navigation basics: North Pole, Prime Meridian, Equator, South Pole, Longitude, Latitude. The prime meridian, which is also called the 0-degree longitude, divided the Earth into Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. The equator, which is also called 0-degree latitude, is dividing the Earth into Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Here are some illustrative examples. Point 11 is located 60 degrees south, 120 degrees west. Point 12 is located 90 degrees north, 30 degrees west. 13, 30 degrees south, 60 degrees west. 14, 60 degrees north, 0 degrees longitude. 15, 30 degrees south, 30 degrees east.